there everybody, it's the editor here from Robin and Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, looking after yourselves, and as always, enjoying the videos. It's summer 2022, it's August bank holiday, and I have enough spare clips to make another cutting room floor video. If you're new to the cutting room floor series, essentially it's all the content that wouldn't normally make a normal video, mostly observations and the odd silly thing here and there, and it's supposed to be taken as a bit of a light-hearted joke. If you are familiar with this content, then there's no need for an introduction. Just sit back and relax and enjoy the extra clips. Just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's taken the time to like and subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. Really enjoy interacting with you guys, exchanging comments, etc. So please keep that up. It's nice to know that my efforts are enjoyed. That's enough yapping from me then, guys. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Two 100% British and Irish beef burgers. The barbecue bacon stand from McDonald's. Not to love. Only
the government says that
I'm in the wrong lane.
Is the reason taxes
You're
are so
also
high
in the wrong
is
lane.
Because spending is so high, and that the reason spending is so
Look
high
where you're going,
is
you'll hit
because
me.
of, well, COVID-19. They've spent 400 billion.
Hey! Oh, something happened! What happened?
Here's another big puddle ready.
Hey!
You ready?
Big picture when it comes to the funding of our democracy.
Oh,
And not just the
bit sooty there, me duck.
And think
Why?
I don't know, they're not doing any work, are they?
What was the point in that?
Go wherever you want. Does that actually work, or is it like
Fucking evidence.
my dad does it as well every time?
You've just
And,
witnessed that and you're asking that question.
and your son is gay and loves his football. What must it be like?
You're welcome,
for
Santa.
him,
You get yourself
knowing
across
that
the
there are
road.
no gay role models out there. What does he?
Human connections. Placing your flesh is the flesh. Skin with force. Till your throat hurts. What you doing?
Pretty sure you can't turn left there. Oh, Mr. Blackbird, please move out of the way.
Yeah, we didn't want to move, did we?
It wasn't a blackbird, it was a raven or whatever, but jeez.
Alcoholic ice cream.
Oh, go on then.
Tipsy cow.
Got an extra wave there.
I think I might know somebody that was in there.
What? Not quite sure what's going on there, but I don't think he's got any hope in hell of getting in there. prime example of people I cannot stand. This guy in front of me is now doing over the speed limit. This is a 40 zone, right? I'm probably doing around 38, 39, maybe 40 odd. I'm following the speed limit, no issues. Guy in front's like, nah, I'm gonna do what, 45, 50. No more than a moment ago, you just saw in the video in his 60, he was happy to sit at 49, 50 and just go under the speed limit. People like this just blow my mind, clearly paying zero attention to their surroundings. Case in point, I've now caught up to him because I'm doing the 60, this is a 60 mile an hour zone, I'm doing 60, I'm gaining on it now. I'm now going to back off a little bit because I'm getting a bit too close, but now I'm having to drop my speed to 54. Wake up! Seriously, wake up, mate. Right, now doing 50. And here he goes. Total inability to follow a speed limit. Completely inept. It's alright, I'm legally obliged to stop me, darling. You're more than welcome. Hey, horse and carriage. Let's see one of those then.
Give way to the f***ing left! Stupid old bint. I think it's the right, mate.
It was a very easy decision for sure.
And you still managed to fit into the suit?
Yeah, after months of training.
Missing a window down the duck. Vengerbus, you can fit through there. See, you can do it. Come on, Vengerbus. There was room. Nana. All right.
Oh dear, they're in a crash and smash it. No, something broken down.
Speed limit for air quality. That's why that's on every single morning. For air quality, so if you drop your speed from 70 to 60, the air quality is better. Same number of motor vehicles are in the same area, but apparently if you drop to 60 rather than 70, it's better for everyone around you. Don't know the science behind that. Pop your thoughts in the comments. Try and explain it to me, because I don't get it.
Turn left onto Wellergate Place.
Sure about which ways?
Turn right onto Dalkeith Place.
I can't be parked there. Cow.
Oh, bloody hell. Bad lads about, bad lads about. No siren on when he approached the junction. Not sure if that's needed or not, but it would have been helpful. Would have heard him.
Some trees are like biannual blossom, so you'll get leaves one year and then blossom another.
You may as well get out the road for your own safety. Yeah, go on.
behind you now.
What are you doing? Alright, fair enough. Oh, there he is, he's pulling in there. Well, you know, you put that on a bit prematurely, lad. The most ugliest car in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning for your viewing pleasure, Mrs. Apex.
That's a bit dodgy, that is.
Oh, he pulled in on someone. Oh.
Slow down again.
Yep. Hey. Too bad.
Turn right.
Forward a little bit so you're in line with the speed.
So, we go from a milk float to ice cream float.
Mark 1 ST. Mark 1 VXR.